Helsinki Central Railway Station, urban jewel and welcoming icon designed by Eliel Saarinen, 1904 to 1919, the station is a flagship of Finnish national romantic and early Art Nouveau architecture, executed in reddish Finnish granite with a grand arch portal and 48 meters clock tower, striking lantern bearers, lead-in kantajat, 4 statues holding glowing globes, flank the entrance, symbolizing light, strength and civic pride. Built atop Finland's first station, 1861, this 1919 incarnation has become Helsinki's busiest building, serving about 240,000 people daily across 19 platforms, a metro link, buses and trams, more than transit. The station hosts 115 cafes, retail kiosks, and a VIP presidential lounge originally created for Russian royalty. Saarinen's final design shifted from romantic medievalism to a more balanced, functional, yet expressive style, a turning point in Nordic architecture and a precursor to modern Finnish design. A 2001 glass canopy echoes his original vision. Current updates include new food courts, a microbrewery, and a winter ice rink outside, blending heritage with modern liveliness. Iconic features: admire the bronze lantern statues at night, feel the cavernous ticket hall under warm lamps, and peek into the secret presidential lounge via its hidden entrance. Transport convenience: direct metro access, tram connections outside, retail and eateries underfoot, and scenic vantage points near the clock tower. This isn't just a station, it's a living piece of Helsinki's soul, part transport hub, part architectural icon, part urban stage. Look closely, and you can read Finland's story in its stone, lights, and daily motion.